New trouble for Democrats as Joe Biden's mental decline continues in his new interview.
Folks, eliminate one tax loophole out of $1,600,000,000,000 worth, $1,400,000,000,000 worth. Out of $1,400,000,000,000, $1,400,000,000,000. It's hard to even say it, it's so much. And by the way, it's cost a lot of money. It cost about $740 billion over 10 years.
The increasingly worrying and contended issue of whether or not Joe Biden is mentally fit enough to be the Democratic nominee for president, let alone the President of the United States, is again up for contention after he spouted a bunch of nonsense in his latest interview. Let's see what happened. Press subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss an update on the Young Conservatives. So Joe Biden, who is the Democratic presidential nominee 2020, is on a significant mental decline, clearly evident from his recent videos and interviews. There is no doubt that his age is starting to take a toll and is becoming a significant hindrance in his run for president. No one has any idea what he is saying, not even he himself.
I'm not going to be a mule. I got something to do. I got to go do boom, boom, boom.
He goes on long rants, hardly accomplishing a few complete words and rarely a sentence, and even more rarely a meaningful sentence.
My mother believed and my father believed that if I wanted to be president of the United States, I could be vice president. My mother and father.
Here's a clip from his recent interview where Biden is answering whether or not he would continue tariffs on China.
The question is, what is the appropriate behavior that they have to engage in international trade with us? And they have to play by the international rules. And what we have done is we have disarmed ourselves. We make up 25% of the world's economy, but we poked our finger in the eye of all of our allies out there. The way China will respond is when we gather the rest of the world that in fact believes in open trade and making sure that we're in a position that the world that we deal with WHO the right way. That in fact that's when things begin to change. That's when China's behavior is going to change.
Not sure what he meant there, but from what I could gather, he won't continue the tariffs on China, which is problematic in itself, not to mention Here's another clip from his recent interview.
Mr. Vice President, your opponent in this election, President Trump, has made your mental state a campaign topic. And when asked in June if you'd been tested for cognitive decline, you've responded that you're constantly tested in effect because you're in situations like this on the campaign trail. But please clarify specifically, have you taken a cognitive test?
No, I haven't taken a test. Why the hell would I take a test? Come on, man. That's like saying before you got in this program, if you take a test where you're taking cocaine or not, what do you think, huh? Are you a junkie?
What do you say to President Trump, who brags about his test and makes your mental state an issue for voters?
Well, if he can't figure out the difference between an elephant and a lion, I don't know what the hell he's talking about. Did you watch that? Look, come on, man. I know you're trying to goad me, but I mean, I'm so forward looking to have an opportunity to sit with the president or stand with the president in debates. There's going to be plenty of time. And by the way, as I joke with him, I shouldn't say it. I'm going to say something I probably shouldn't say. Anyway, I am very willing to let the American public judge my physical and mental as well as my mental fitness, and to make a judgment about who I am.
Fitness. Okay. Now that we have already had a taste of what mental decline looks like, how about something a little racist?
Yes, and by the way, what you all know, but most people don't know, unlike the African American community, with notable exceptions, the Latino community is an incredibly diverse community with incredibly different attitudes about different things.
So Biden apparently believes that the Latino community is incredibly diverse in their thinking only because they are Latinos, and the black community is not diverse in their thinking only because they are black. That sounds sort of racist, but unsurprisingly, the media has absolutely ignored this, and they are acting as if this is just another brain fart from Biden. But had this come out of Trump's mouth, this would have been national news for the whole week. Just another day for the hypocritic media. Some Democrats have clearly realized that this isn't going to work. Just imagine Trump debating this half-alive maniac. He would literally destroy him. This is where Corona has been of immense help to Biden. He can just hide in his basement and never expose himself, because when he does, this happens.
3-0, 3-3-0, 3-0, 3-3-0, or 3-0-3, 3-3-0, or BOO, wait, but you got it.
It will be interesting to see what happens once he is forced to go out and hold rallies and participate in debates. Fun times ahead.
I want to be clear. I'm not going nuts.
Comment below what you think and don't forget to subscribe and share. Till next time, goodbye.